friends, welcome back to Brintechno. Welcome to our new and fresh video, guys. Yes guys, your boy is back with another new and fresh video. Thank you so much guys for the lovely response given to our previous video, which means a lot to us. And yeah, so today I'm back with a new recipe, and that is mango style pork chili recipe. And this pork chili is one of the most versatile recipes amongst others, and this goes well with the rice or noodles, and also in function as a standalone snack or a appetizer. And there are different varieties of pork chilies. There is Goan style pork chili, mango style pork chili, and Kerala style pork chili, and who doesn't like Kurgi style pork chili? Yes, so this is one of the spicy and juiciest recipes. I hope you guys will enjoy this. Stay tuned till the end, and if you guys are new to this channel, do hit the subscribe button and do not forget to like and share our video. So now let's start today's video.
First, we need to marinate and boil 1 kg of pork. So in a bowl, take 1 kg of medium cube slice pieces. Now add 1 2-inch cinnamon, 2 teaspoons of vinegar, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste, 3 to 4 bay leaves. And now mix all the ingredients nice and thoroughly and let it rest for 1 hour. Now place a pan on the stove, add the marinated pork to it, add 250 ml or 1 cup of water and saute it for a while nice and thoroughly. And now put the lid on and let it boil in its steam for 30 minutes. Now open the lid. If you find the pork has released excess of water, don't get panicked. Keep on frying on simmer and lid open till all the water evaporates from the pork. And now when the pork is nice and soft, consider it's done and transfer it to the bowl and set it aside. Make sure to retain the oil in the pan, because we are using the same pan and oil to prepare the masala for the pork chili. To the same pan, add finely diced 15 garlic flakes, 4 sliced green chilies, and now saute it for a while. Now add 4 medium-sized diced onions and saute it till it turns nice and soft. Now add 2 medium-sized diced capsicum. Add little salt as per the requirement and mix well. Now add 3 teaspoons of buffalo powder, half teaspoon of turmeric powder, pinch of orange red food color. Now mix it nice and thoroughly for at least a minute. Now add 2 teaspoons of vinegar, half teaspoon of sugar, and 2 teaspoons of dark soya sauce. Now add the fried pork to the masala. Make sure to remove all the bay leaves from the fried pork. And now mix it nice and thoroughly for at least 2 minutes so that all the masala should get properly soaked inside the fried pork. And now dilute 1 teaspoon of corn flour with water, mix well and add it to the pork chili. Here we are using corn flour as a thickener, which thickens the masala. And now add 3 teaspoons of tomato sauce and mix it nice and thoroughly. Sprinkle some coriander on the top, and here you go guys. The yummy and delicious the mango style pork chilli is ready to serve hot.